Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel and floor pedals, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Are you tired of feeling like a real driver when gaming? Do you crave that immersive experience that makes you feel like you're behind the wheel of a F1 car? Well, today we're about to dive into one product that's been making waves in the racing sim community, the Logitech G920 driving force racing wheel. For those who are new to this world, let's just say that for gamers who take their driving games seriously, this kind of setup is a game changer. It's not just about having fun, it's about being fully immersed in the experience, feeling every twitch and turn of the wheel, every press of the pedal. And when you're playing with the Logitech G920, you can bet that your adrenaline levels are going to be through the roof. So, what makes this product so special? Well, for starters, the precision steering is unparalleled. The Logitech claims that it has a helical gearing system, which delivers smooth and quiet steering. What does that mean in real terms? It means that you won't have to worry about lag or vibration. Every movement of the wheel feels crisp and deliberate. And then there's the pressure-sensitive pedal. Now, we've all been there, stuck on a narrow track, trying to squeeze out every last bit of speed before a tight turn. The Logitech G920 takes that feeling to the next level with its non-linear brake pedals. They're designed to provide a responsive, accurate braking feel that simulates real-world driving conditions. And because they're pressure-sensitive, you'll feel like you're really putting your foot down when you need to. Another feature that's been getting rave reviews is the 900-degree rotation of the wheel itself. That's right, it can turn 2.5 times around hand over hand on wide turns. It's like being in an F1 car, folks. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like the feeling of pushing your car to its limits, feeling that rush of adrenaline as you hurtle towards the finish line. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this product worth the investment? Well, let's take a closer look at some real-world reviews. From what customers are saying, the Logitech G920 is a total game-changer. People love how immersive it makes them feel, and how precise the steering and pedals are. Sure, there are a few complaints about the build quality of some parts, nothing that's going to hold you back from enjoying this product, but worth mentioning nonetheless. All in all, I'd say that if you're serious about your racing sims, the Logitech G920 is definitely worth considering. It may not be perfect, but it's a step in the right direction towards creating an immersive gaming experience that'll leave you breathless. So, if this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.